let's talk about a geospatial technology we haven't covered yet. Let's talk about remote sensing. Our next couple of modules will focus a lot on remote sensing and get into a lot of the heavy details and science behind it. But let's scale back a little bit and talk first just basically about the definition. You can look in your textbook on the first page of the chapter and see the definition of remote sensing as collecting information related to the reflected or emitted electromagnetic energy from a target by a device in an aircraft or spacecraft. Now you may be reading that or hearing that and thinking to yourself, what on earth does that mean? Don't worry, that's what the next couple chapters will help you figure out. We're going to start by going back over how we got to this point, how we got to the point where we have these highly sensitive cameras within aircraft, spacecraft, drones, on satellites, taking pictures of the Earth's surface, how we got there. You'll look at different types of photography that you can use in remotely sensed imaging and remotely sensed analysis, and why it matters to know what type of photography you have to see if you can actually do the analysis you're interested in. So figuring that out before you start your project is always important. The last thing we'll cover is the interpretation of images. So if you've ever flown on a plane and looked out the window and thought to yourself, I wonder what that is. That's interesting landscape I'm seeing there. I think we're starting to get close to the airport because I'm seeing it start to be more built up and more houses or more industry. How do you know what you're looking at? There's a couple fun exercises this week that will test your visual interpretation skills, so I hope you enjoy it.